How to make your phone battery last longer. So if you want to make your phone battery last longer, then just follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is reduce your screen brightness. One of the biggest smartphone battery drains is the screen's backlight. Lowering the screen brightness can save battery in the short term, but also helps to reduce wear on the battery's overall lifespan. So you just need to simply reduce your screen brightness. And the second step is give your phone the night off. This one is a simple idea, but it might be hard for a lot of people. One great way to save the battery power and prolong the battery lifespan is to occasionally not use it for a night. Even if you keep the phone turned on and connected, simply putting it to one side for an evening can really help. And after that, the third step, don't leave your mobile charging after it's full. This is one of the most common drains of energy and a big reason why phones' batteries lifespan deplete earlier than expected. So if you keep your phone on charge overnight, it can cause it to bounce between 99 and 100%, wasting energy. So charging in short bursts throughout the day is probably the best way to preserve your battery life. And the fourth thing you can do is recharge your phone in a different way. How do you charge your phone? By using the little USB plug and cable that came with your phone, right? Well, that's usually the fastest method of charging your phone, but it's not the only way, and it's not always the best. One of the best ways is to charge your phone through your vehicle, like your scooty, or using a car charger. And the fifth thing you can do is turn on your battery saver mode. So you just need to simply go with your settings. This is great for when you need to get the most out of that last drop of power. So just simply go and search for battery saver and make sure to turn on the battery saver. If your battery is very low, open your battery settings and turn on super battery mode. And the next thing you can do is you need to turn off your location services. So go with your location option, and under location make sure that you have turned off your location services. One of the most efficient ways to save the battery life on your phone is to turn off the location function. And the next thing you can do is you just need to simply go and turn off your Wi-Fi scanning. So if you have the Wi-Fi scanning turned on your settings or on your phone, then simply go with your settings and search for Wi-Fi scanning. And under Wi-Fi scanning, now if it is turned on, then simply go and turn it off. Nowadays, Android comes with a feature that continues to look for open Wi-Fi networks, even when you turn the Wi-Fi off. Since the service is running endlessly in the background, it's also secretly using the battery. So you just need to simply turn it off, and that's it. These were the few fixes to make your phone battery last longer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.